ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਤਿਗੁਰਾਂ ਦੀ ਨਿਗਾਹ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਜੀਵਨ ਬਿਜਲੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਅਸਗਾ ਦਰਿਆ ਵਗ ਉੱਠੇ। ਚੰਨੇ ਤੇ ਰਵੀ ਤੇ ਸੱਚਲੁਜ ਤੇ ਬਿਆਸ ਤੇ ਜੇਲਮ ਤੇ ਅਟਕ ਸਭ ਬਲ ਉੱਠੇ। ਗੁਰੂ ਦਾ ਜਾਪ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਗਾਉਂਦੇ। ਇਉਂ ਅਥਾਹ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਹ ਹੋਇਆ, ਸੁੱਕਾ ਨਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਕੋਈ ਥਾਂ। ਹਿੰਦੂ ਮੁਸਲਮਾਨ ਪੰਛੀ ਪਸ਼ੂ ਆਦਮੀ ਸਭ ਭਿੱਜਿਆ, ਡੁੱਬਿਆ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਉਸ ਨਿਗਾਹ ਵਿੱਚ। ਇੱਥੇ ਜਾਨ ਆਈ, ਰੂਹ ਆਇਆ, ਰੱਬ ਆਇਆ, ਗੀਤ ਅਸਮਾਨੀ ਆਇਆ, ਦਿਲ ਆਇਆ ਬਖਸ਼ਦਾ। ਇੱਥੇ ਚਾਹ ਦੀ ਅਸਮਾਨ ਟੁੱਟੇ, ਇੱਥੇ ਹੁਸਨ ਖੁਦਾਈ ਦਾ ਅਤਵਾਰ ਆਇਆ। ਇੱਥੇ ਦਿਨ ਚੁੱਭਵੀਆਂ ਮੂਰਤਾਂ, ਨਿਗਾਹ ਦੇ ਤੀਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਮੀਂਹ। ਇੱਥੇ ਦਾਤੇ ਬਲਕਾਰ ਆਇਆ, ਇੱਥੇ ਸਾਈਂ ਦੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਆਏ। ਇਸ ਧਰਤੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਲਗੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਦੇ ਘੋੜੇ ਦੇ ਸੁੰਮਾਂ ਦੀ ਟਾਪ ਲੱਗੀ। ਇੱਥੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰਾਂ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਦਾ ਨਿਵਾਸ ਹੈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਗੱਜ ਵੱਜ ਕੇ ਫਤਿਹ ਬੁਲਾਓ ਜੀ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਨਾਨਕ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਪਾਵੈ, ਸੁਰਤ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਮਨ ਮਾਨਾ। O Nanak, realizing the divine this Vaisakhi, Shabad, the eternal wisdom, enters the consciousness. My message is to the youth today. For farmers, Vaisakhi represents a time when we are harvesting the crops. But for the Sikhs, this physical harvesting was metamorphosed, transformed into a spiritual one. It is a time for harvesting the eternal wisdom manifested within the Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. And this spiritual harvesting led to the birth of the Khalsa, the liberated ones, the pure ones, in April 1699 by our 10th sovereign, Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. So let me tell you a little bit about the beauty, the richness, the power of our Khalsa. Firstly, the Khalsa is open to any caste, any gender, any social class. They arose to combat tyranny and oppression and bridge the gap between reality and the ideal of an egalitarian society, something that this nation is still trying to do. And they eradicated injustice with every step that they took. Where did these ideals come from? From the names of our 5 beloved ones, translated as compassion, righteous principles, courage, determination, and sovereignty. They were the ones who answered the call of both spiritual and political love. This was a revolutionary concept. There was no separation of church and state. There would not be politics without spirituality and vice versa. The Khalsa served the powerless, the underprivileged, those without a voice. Something again that this nation is still trying to do. President Lincoln, whose memorial we started this walk from, stated that this is a government of the people, by the people, for the people. But we have to understand, what does this phase truly mean? With what the spirit of one nation under one flag means. What is the Khalistan nation for us? It is our spiritual political expression, our ask for the right to self-determination, our path to a sovereign land. When we march with the Nishan Sahib in our hands, we walk shoulder to shoulder with all our siblings, no matter which missile, which organization, or what background they come from. All who desire to take a part in our morcha, our revolutionary moments, this resistance is for all of us. Embracing our political passions rooted within a Sikh framework. So this is the Vaisakhi concept of political love. A power that gives power to the powerless. This love should serve as the basis of our political projects. I ask the youth today, what is your passion? If you're doing computer science, then connect that back to our homeland Punjab. If you're a doctor, then connect that back to our homeland Punjab. No matter what field you are in, bring your passion back to Punjab and serve those who have no voice. Serve the powerless. That's what's going to create a new society. That's the basis of our Khalistan, a place where all our voices are heard. That was the beauty of the farmers' protest, when even a Dalit child could partake in langar, when even a Dalit child had access to education, and he stood up and said, if this is what Punjab is going to look like, then I want it. If this is what Khalistan is going to look like, then I want it. So I ask you, what does Khalistan look like for you? What is your seva? What is your passion? Bring it back to Punjab. My meaty-beaty political spiritual companions, I invite you to open yourselves to the infinite wisdom, to imbue yourselves with the external and internal attributes of the Khalsa. The Khalsa is the complete, perfect image of our beloved Guru, and its language is love. The Khalsa brings out the best of us. It brings our truest potentials, our liberated selves that can transcend any human limitations, whether it is in art, literature, academics, healthcare, civil duty, or policy making. The Sikhs of the Guru reflect their love of the divine and of the Shabad within every worldly sector. So my ask to my youthful siblings is educate yourselves. Learn from the cultures, the governance, the philosophies, and the texts of the world, but also learn what is our origin. Evoke the Sikh spirit with every deliberate step that you take as we walk towards the image of our perfect Guru, Sahib Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. May we commemorate the day by reflecting on the Guru's teachings. Sach kaho sun le sabe, jin prem kiyo tin hi prab payo. I state the truth. Listen, everyone. Whoever has loved, they alone have found the divine master. Such was the path walked by the beloveds, such as Shaheed Bhai Jugraj Singh Ji Tufan, whose 33rd Shaheedi anniversary it is today. He found his place within the grassroots movements of Sikhi, earning his name due to how he challenged systemic injustice like a storm, a tufan. At his funeral pyre stood a community of over 400,000 people from different backgrounds, different faiths, different ideologies. But his was a spirit born from the love of meaty beaty, born from the synergy of political and spiritual love. But Naam Shahidanu, whose spirits I evoke today, to guide us along with the light of the Shabad, to guide us on this path of love, and to guide us for a place where our political prisoners can walk free. Pul chuk maaf. Waheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji ki Fateh.
Sat Sri Akal.